Cursor is making waves in the coding community as an AI-powered code editor. But does it live up to the hype? Today we're digging into what makes Cursor stand out and whether it truly enhances the coding experience or just adds to the noise. Cursor is designed to streamline the coding experience by leveraging AI to assist developers in real time. It integrates smart auto-completion, code suggestions, and even context-aware documentation right into the editing environment. As soon as you open the app, you notice that it aims to reduce the cognitive load typical in coding, which is a huge plus for both beginners and experienced developers. The user interface is sleek and modern, making navigation intuitive. One standout feature is its ability to learn from your coding patterns, which could save you a lot of time on repetitive tasks. However, while it aims to cater to a wide range of programming languages, some users might find the support for less popular languages a bit lacking. Overall, Cursor feels like a promising tool for those looking to enhance their productivity, but it does raise some questions about how well it adapts to individual coding styles over time. On the upside, Cursor's AI capabilities can significantly speed up your workflow, especially with its intelligent suggestions and context-aware help. The design is user-friendly, making it accessible for newcomers to coding. However, there are a few downsides to consider. Some users have reported that while the AI is helpful, it can occasionally suggest code that is not optimal, which can be frustrating. Additionally, the lack of robust support for niche programming languages could turn off some developers. Pricing is another point of concern. While it offers a free trial, the subscription model may not suit everyone, especially if you're a casual coder. If you're someone who codes regularly, you might find value here, but if you only dabble occasionally, it might not be worth the investment. In conclusion, Cursor is a solid choice for developers seeking to improve their efficiency with AI assistance. If you're serious about coding and need a tool that can adapt and grow with your skill set, it's worth a shot. However, casual users might want to explore alternatives that better fit their needs without the commitment.